Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're just starting your coding journey or looking to branch into new areas, today we are diving into the types of programming languages, what they are, how they work, and when to use them. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap of what languages fit your goals best. Let's jump right in. First off, what is programming language? It's a way for us humans to give instructions to computers. Each language has its own rules, syntax, and best use cases. But not all languages are created equally. Some are close to the machine, others are more abstract and human readable. Let's start big picture. Programming languages fall into two main categories: high-level languages and low-level languages. Low-level languages, assembly and C. These are close to the hardware. They give you lots of control but are harder to learn. Think writing code that talks directly to your CPU or memory. High-level languages. Example: Python, Java, JavaScript. These are easier to read and write. They are what most developers use for apps, websites, and data science. As a beginner or intermediate programmer, you will mostly work with high-level languages. More power with less pain. Next, let's talk about procedural programming language. These follow a sequence of steps. Like a recipe, you define procedures or functions and the program runs line by line. Popular procedural languages: C. Great for learning fundamentals and systems programming. Go. Modern, fast, and easy to deploy. Pascal. Old but educational. Use this when you want full control of logic and flow. It's how many classic apps and systems were built. Then there's Object-Oriented Programming, or OOPS. This is where most modern languages lead. Instead of just procedures, you organize code into objects, things that bundle data and functions together. Here are some popular OOPS languages: Java, enterprise level apps; Python, super versatile; C++, powerful but more complex; C#, used in game development; Unity, and enterprise tools. OOPS makes your code modular, reusable, and easier to manage, especially as your project grows. Functional programming is another paradigm that focuses on pure functions and avoiding changes in data, also known as immutability. Example: Haskell, purely functional and great for theory. Scala combines OOP and functional styles. Elixir, scalable and great for real-time apps. Functional languages are powerful for building highly scalable and bug-resistant software, like real-time messaging apps. Scripting languages are lightweight and often used for quick tasks, automation, or web development. Here are some examples. JavaScript runs in your browser and powers modern websites. Python, also a scripting language used for automation, data science, and more. Bash, for writing command line scripts on Unix systems. These are great for beginners because they give you fast results with simple syntax. While not programming languages in the strictest sense, these are essential tools for developers. HTML, structures content on the web. CSS, styles that content. Okay, not a language, but still crucial. SQL, lets you query databases. XML and JSON, data formats often used in APIs. You'll often use this alongside actual code, especially in web and data projects. Here's a quick guide to help you choose. Want to build websites? HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Interested in automation or data science? Go for Python. Game development or performance-heavy apps? Go with C#, C++, or Rust. Interested in app development? Go with Java, Kotlin, which is for Android, and Swift for iOS. Want to understand how computers really work? C or assembly language. There's no one best language, just the best one for you and your goals. A few final tips. Don't get overwhelmed. Pick one language and stick with it until you are comfortable. Build real projects. They teach faster than tutorials. And remember, languages evolve, but core programming skills stay with you. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what languages you are learning right now. I'll be posting more beginner-friendly guides, tutorials, and tips every week. So hit that bell icon and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!